start this video, I have some news to share. I made a new channel for live streaming called Explore Japan Live. Please subscribe to it for daily live streaming from different places in Japan in 4K high quality. The link is below this video, please check it out.
Hello everyone, how is going? Today I am in Kinshicho in Sumida Ward in Tokyo, and I'm gonna show you nightlife area of Kinshicho, which is very popular but is not very famous among foreigner. So I'm gonna take you to some nice area, also a girls bar. So now someone is waiting for me to go to the bar. Let's go find her. And okay, here she is. So we're gonna go and explore this area and go to the bar. Let's have fun tonight. Hello. Good evening. How are you doing?
Good, how are you today?
Mia-san. Osashiburi. Long time. Yeah. How are you doing? Listen.
I'm doing great. How are you doing today?
Thank you very much. So, where are we now?
Today we are in Kinshicho.
Kinshicho.
Have you ever came over here?
Yes, I've been here a few times before, but not recently. So, let's go and check it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, okay.
Okay, so this is a Pia Kinshicho.
Oh,
Street in Kinshicho. And then this street is famous for a lot of kind of like a restaurant, bar, and then especially like kind of girls bar.
oh, girls bar.
Yeah.
Oh,
Used to be there a lot.
Right.
Like I don't know why, like a police, like a police people like bad at like a lot of things.
ah.
Yeah.
Now it's less compared to
Less,
before?
totally less.
Ah, okay.
But yeah, still there's a lot.
Right. And what else is here in Kinshicho?
Kinshicho is like kind of near from the Chiba prefecture.
Chiba, okay, it's near Chiba.
Yeah. So Chiba is kind of known for the kind of big town.
Okay.
So like so many people are living there.
Right.
And Kinshicho is in Tokyo. So Kinshicho is kind of like a cold, like entrance for the Chiba prefecture people.
Oh, right,
Like
yeah.
that.
Because Tokyo rent is expensive, so
Super
people live in
expensive.
Chiba and then work in
And then,
Tokyo.
Yeah, come to Tokyo to work.
Right.
Something like that. Yeah.
And then here is closest part of Tokyo to Chiba, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Kind of like that.
Cool. It's very lively. Wow, it's so cool here. And then, where is your place actually?
It's just like 1 minute
Oh, really?
by walk from here.
It's very
Not too
close to the
far.
station.
Yeah.
Cool.
Close.
So you moved to Kinshicho before you worked in
Yeah.
Shinjuku, yeah?
Yeah.
All right,
I've already like walked over here,
right.
but like I just the shift changed to here because like I just want to focus on this Kinshicho job.
Ah, okay.
I like both of them though.
Oh, you like both, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
So how do you see the differences between here and Shinjuku if you compare?
As you know, like Shinjuku is like kind of like a one city place,
Right.
and then everybody call them like the never sleep city.
Oh, never, yeah, sleepless town, yeah.
Yeah, and I like that kind of big city, of course.
Right,
But like I like the more kind of like the local place.
right.
It's not that kind of like countryside.
Yeah.
But it's kind of like between the local place and then like you say like a city place.
Right.
Place like that.
But here also is really a big area. It's like a,
Yeah, kind of like that.
But-
Not too small.
yeah.
And then Kinshicho is like kind of really convenient to go to any kind of place.
Ah, okay.
So yeah, like so many families living
Right.
here.
Oh, so it's a family town.
Yeah. And of course, like rent is like cheaper than Shinjuku, of course.
Oh, rent, yeah?
But yeah, it's still expensive.
The city is, yeah, city is Tokyo, yeah?
Yeah. And
It's-
then this is my girl's bar.
Oh, cool. Which one?
This pink one.
The pink
Crazy
one.
bunny.
Oh, nice.
I'm not a bunny girl, but
Right.
yeah.
Girls bar, crazy bunny, wow.
I'm just gonna let you know the reason why I'm not the bunny girl in here.
Oh, okay, why?
Okay, please
Oh.
watch out your step.
Oh, we're gonna go down here. Alright, let's go.
And watch out your head also.
Okay. Very interesting entrance.
Interesting.
Alright, let's go in. Oh, hello! Wow, it's so cool.
Yeah, this is my bar.
Oh, she is preparing the beer. Awesome.
Am I?
Alright.
There you go.
You like beer?
I love
So your favorite drink is beer or?
beer and then rum. I like
Oh,
rum.
rum. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. Do you drink every day?
Almost every day.
Almost every day.
Yeah, I like drinking.
Oh, you like drinking?
That's
Yeah.
why I'm working here.
Yeah, I like drinking too.
I can tell. I can tell.
Yeah. Bye. 乾杯。
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
好きな食べ物について話して。
あ、
女子屋さんは、
好き。
女子屋さんはまさかのフグって答えてました。
フグですか？
Yeah.
He answered the plump fish. How to say in English?
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish, yes.
Pufferfish is delicious.
Have you ever tried it? 今まで食べたことある？
ないです。フグは
Oh, you-
人生で一回もないです。
え、一回もない。She
ない
hasn't
ない
tried pufferfish.
ない
Okay. 好きな食べ物なんですか？ What is your favorite food?
No, I don't like it.
めっちゃもうさ
Alright, what's your favorite food? 好きな食べ物なんですか？
好きな食べ物はラーメンです。
あ、ラーメン。
ラーメン
お、何ラーメン？
Have you ever tried it?
何でも好きなんですけど、
あ、
特に好きなのは味噌ラーメン。
味噌ラーメン。
味噌ラーメン。
お、すごい。
That's true.
出身のちなみにどこですか？
出身は群馬県です。
あ、群馬県。あ、
群馬
群馬県。あ、群馬プレフェクチャー。一回いたことがあります。I've been there once.
She
Yeah.
was born in the Gunma prefecture. It's kind of a
What?
little bit far.
何が有名だったろう？
温泉とか。
温泉とか。
温泉。
温泉 is
温
popular.
泉。伊勢崎の
Gunma, that hot spring is famous.
違う。渋川の
Hakone. It's not.
何温泉だっけな。
I have.
So yeah.
まあでもいろいろ温泉ある。
Hot spring.
ああ、いろいろ。
Hot
あ
spring.
あとは、なんだろう。温泉以外に何があ
Private
りますか？
onsen inside the
群馬ですか？
Do you guys have
群
an
馬
onsen in
は
Georgia?
こんにゃくが有名です。
こんにゃく。ああ、こんにゃく。よろしくお願いします。Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Shion
Yes.
です。
シオン。
Her name is Shion.
Shion.
Her name is Shion.
ああ、シオン。シオンはもうどのぐらいこの店は？ How long have you been working?
4 years.
4 years.
We are like a kind of same like a kind of なんていうの same grade. How to say?
Oh.
Like yeah, same points. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you work together like 4 years.
4 years. Actually,
Right.
I started working over here. I mean, I put my effort to working over here, like
Right.
from June.
Right.
Like, we opened this bar like last November. Last year
Right.
November, and then me and Shion is like working here since the month.
Okay. So, 出身はどこですか？
出身は千葉の船橋で。
あ、船橋。
Yeah.
船橋行ったことがありま
She
す。
was born in Chiba.
She's from Chiba. It's very close to here.
Super close to here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
近いですね。
近いです。
Yeah. So
お隣で。
here is 隅田川。隅田川じゃなくて隅田区。
墨田区。
墨田区 is yeah.
District. It's a Sumida district.
Is closer to Chiba, also Ibaraki. Yeah. Not Ibaraki.
Ibaraki is a
Chiba.
little bit far,
Oh, okay.
but not too far.
Yeah. So here is close to Narita Airport. Very. Oh yeah, 近いですね。
Yeah.
Yeah. And
そうだね。
so 千葉は何が有名ですか？ Where is popular?
は
Aside from Narita Airport.
成田家津田沼。
I
津田沼シテ
I feel like peanuts とか言う。
ィ。いいな。
Oh, peanuts. Oh, it's popular.
Peanuts is famous in
Right.
Chiba prefecture.
Right.
And what is another thing? なんだろう他有名なの。
非公認キャラクターのふな
あ
っし
What
ー。
is
ふなっ
that?
しーです。
So there's a kind of character.
Right.
The name is Funashi.
ふなっしー。
Funashi. Ah,
Funashi. And that was a kind of unofficial
unofficial.
character.
Ah,
But the character tried to like kind of advertise
Right.
the Chiba things.
okay.
So the Funashi is the meaning of the origin from the Nashi. Nashi is a
梨の妖精。
with the reference. Reference, how to say.
Love.
Appear.
Ah,
Here.
right.
So maybe the one the pier is also famous
Right.
in Chiba, I think.
Also Narita-san. That Narita-san.
成田さん。
Narita-san.
Narita is a famous temple, yeah. Narita-san.
Narita-san.
It's
Not
like
the
a
mountain.
It's like a Asakusa where it's
kind of sensoji.
yeah sensoji.
Alright.
成田さん神社の名前成田さんじゃないですか
Oh my
Is
god.
a famous
違う
I shot a video there
I'm so embarrassed. Even I'm Japanese, I don't know that one.
because I shot a few videos there. It was a festival there.
さんだいぶ違う
Narita-san, yeah, it's a also なんだろう忘れちゃった。Sawara.
Sawara?
It's a
He knows about it. He really knows about it.
it's Japan Explorer. I have to go,
Oh, so his YouTube channel name is Japan Explorer.
so I have to explore it.
日本探求みたいな。そういろんなとこ撮ってる人。
そう、一番
バニーガール
Bunny girl,
Bunny girl.
very cute
This
bunny
is like kind of
girls.
regular costume things.
Oh, bunny
I'm not
girl.
the one though. Yeah.
Oh, you are not doing this costume.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, oh, based on
Sometimes.
okay, but it's very good,
Right.
very nice, yeah,
Very good
very good, very good.
Cute.
So, and then what's your favorite food? 好きな食べ物は何ですか？
大好きなフードですか私カレーライス
あ、カレーライス。
Curry.
お
She
し
loves curry rice.
She
カレー
likes
ライス麻婆豆
麻婆豆腐。
Mapo tofu.
あー辛いもの。あー、辛いもの。
Spicy food.
Spicy food. So you like Korean food?
コリアンフード
Korean Chinook.
Okay. It's gonna be the good souvenir for sure.
It's going to the owner of a game shop.
Okay.
アニメ好きですか？アニメとかゲームとか。何が見ますか？
アニメ
うん。What's your
アニメ
favorite?
はドラえもん
あ、ドラえもん。
ドラえもん
アニメそんなに見ないんだけど
あー、ドラえもん。好きですね。
ポケモンも見ます
あ、ポケモン。
見る
あ
she watched Pokemon also.
海外だとドラゴンボール
ーあ、
Dragon Ball.
You like Dragon Ball?
The
あー、
original?
ドラゴンボール。
鬼滅の刃
オリジナル
あ、鬼滅の刃。
一番最初の初期のやつって。
あ
多分有名かな
I'm not an anime person, but like even me, I know that Dragon Ball.
Yeah, Dragon Ball is very popular.
なんだろう。
なんだろう
Recently,
So you like One Piece?
and then Demon Slayer, 鬼滅の刃,
鬼滅の刃。
and recently the Dan Da Dan is getting popular.
ダンダダン
Dan Da Dan.
ダンダダンI don't
Then the anime theme is like a alien.
Oh, alien.
Versus Japanese monster. We call it
あ
yokai.
ー、妖怪。
That's cool. Yeah.
じゃあ日本のモンスターだとゲゲゲの鬼太郎
ゲゲゲの鬼太郎。
ゲゲゲの鬼太郎
ゲゲゲの鬼太郎
Super
海外で知られてる
old animation. The name is ゲゲゲの鬼太郎。So
目玉
some-
親父
あ
目玉のやつ。
妖怪ウォッチ
あ妖怪は
Have you ever seen this one?
ー、oh,
And
that's
the ones are from the customer kind of gift from the Hokkaido.
oh, it's from Hokkaido.
Yeah. And then first, do you know the gacha gacha?
Gacha gacha, yeah, I know. Yeah.
He gave me this one.
Oh,
That was a kind of like a miniature one.
that's so cool.
And then actually like we didn't know that what is that one.
Right.
And then we searched on the Google and then we knew that this was a Nihonshu, a Japanese sake. And then when he came here the next time, like
Yeah.
he gave me this one. That was a real one.
Oh,
It's
awesome.
empty though, yeah.
It's empty, but it's so cool. It's specialty of Hokkaido.
Hokkaido, yeah.
Snowman.
Well, you can get it from the Amazon also.
Right. Oh, it's available in Amazon too.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Done.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
I just named it. Do you know the Sex on the Beach cocktail?
What's that again?
Do you know the Sex on the Beach cocktail?
Sex on the beach
Sex on
cocktail.
the Beach cocktail. I just named this one like a Mia on the Beach.
Oh, Mia on the beach. Oh, you that,
Just kidding, just kidding.
this is your. It's like sounds like your original
Yeah,
cocktail.
kind of original.
Original cocktail. Okay, let's try this.
Hope you like it.
All right. Cheers.
Bye.
Let's try it. Oh, it's really good.
Good?
Yeah, I like it. It's so good.
Oh, it's made from like grapefruit juice, rum, Maribu, and blue croissant. That's it.
Oh, it's very
But the
good. I
color
like
is
the
good,
taste.
right?
Yeah, it's very fresh.
Thank you.
So